What's up guys, it's Ryan here with HomeofTech, and today we're going to be unboxing and checking out a budget-friendly RGB light from a company called Ulanzi. Quick disclaimer, I did purchase this light with my own money, and as always I'll be giving my honest review. So I purchased a light because I was in need of some RGB light for my B-roll shots. Ulanzi is a pretty reputable brand, so I was pretty interested to see the quality of this light. The light is called the Ulanzi Ice Light, and as always you can find it on Amazon for a very cheap price of $29.99, and as always I'll be linking it in the description below. So the unboxing was pretty simple, as the box just had the logo and simple information about the light. As you can see, the box identifies the color temperature, the lighting effect. The box also identified the light as a vlogging light, which I don't understand why, but I guess you could use it as a vlogging light. When you open the box, you're greeted with the light in a simple plastic wrapper, a USB-C to USB-A cable, as well as the user manual. But personally, I didn't use the user manual because it was pretty easy to figure out how to use the light. There's also a power button to turn the light on and off, as well as change the light to CCT mode, RGB mode, HSI mode, or effects mode. The M button is responsible for changing from color temperature to brightness, allowing you to use the up and down arrow to adjust the brightness or color temperature. The light charges via USB-C and has a 2000 mAh battery. They advertise the light with a runtime of 90 minutes, but personally I find that I get way more than that because I rarely keep the light at 100% brightness. You also can stack them together with the magnetic feature. I do recommend only stacking two, as it might be a little unstable if you do more. There's also a 1/4-20 on the bottom end of the ice light, so you can definitely attach it to a tripod. The LED color rendering index is 95, so you'll definitely get true color reproduction for your videos. The two main things that I love about the light is the RGB mode and the fact that you could change the brightness percentage of the light. These are two great features for me because I can use the light as a fill light or to provide some color for a B-roll shot. The LCD screen is also a plus because you get to see the scene or mode that you're in, as well as adjust the brightness, and you're also able to see the battery percentage. I think this light is very useful and is applicable in multiple situations, from pro use to beginner. So I definitely recommend picking up a few of these lights because they are very cheap for the quality that you get. But that's it for this video guys. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.